Let's start with a quick question. Remember what makes a thumbnail impossible to ignore? Don't worry, if you need a little refresher, I've got you covered. In our last video, we uncovered some game-changing insights. We talked about how thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice. It's your one shot to grab their attention. We explored how emotions and curiosity, like a surprise-filled expression or a teasing glimpse of what's inside, can make viewers need to click. And of course, we went over the golden rules: crisp images, bold colors, clear text, and keeping it simple. Oh, and we called out the big mistakes, like cramming too much in or misleading viewers that can tank your video's performance. But here's the twist. I'm going to show you the exact tools, tricks, and secret techniques that top creators use to create thumbnails that don't just look good. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to create thumbnails that don't just grab attention. They help you grow your channel and your bank account. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Choosing the right tools. With so many tools at your fingertips these days, creating a thumbnail has never been easier or more confusing. Let's face it, the sheer number of options can leave you wondering, which one should I use? Let's kick things off with the big one, Photoshop. This tool has been a favorite for years, and for good reason. It's powerful, versatile, and offers complete control over every detail. Want to erase a messy background? Add stunning effects? Or layer multiple elements for a professional finish? Photoshop's got your back, but here's the catch. It's not free, and it's only available on computers. At around $20 a month, it's an investment. But for creators who want that next level polish, it's worth every penny. Now, if Photoshop sounds a bit too intense, meet Canva. Canva is the go-to for simplicity, speed, and versatility. It's like your design buddy that says, hey, let's make this easy. With drag-and-drop features, pre-made templates, and a super user-friendly interface, it's perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants to get things done quickly. What's even better? Canva works across devices. You can use it on your laptop, tablet, or even directly through a mobile app. The free plan is solid, but their Pro plan at $13 a month unlocks premium features like exclusive templates and an extensive image library. But wait, there's more. Photopea is the underrated champion here. Think of it as a free, browser-based version of Photoshop. It's perfect for those who love the advanced features of Photoshop, but aren't quite ready to commit to the price tag. With similar tools and no downloads required, it's a lifesaver for anyone on a budget or just starting out. So, where should you begin? If you're a pro or aiming to become one, Photoshop might be your calling. But if you're dipping your toes into design, Canva and Photopea are fantastic starting points. They'll give you the flexibility to create iconic thumbnails without overwhelming you. Okay, now that you've picked your weapon of choice, let's talk about how to actually use it. 2. Crafting the perfect thumbnail. Thumbnail, I'm telling you, is not just a random image, but a true work of art. Step 1. Planning your design. Start with an outline or sketch of your idea. Imagine it like storyboarding for a video. This helps you visualize the layout and saves you time tweaking later. Trust me, a little preparation can mean the difference between a messy thumbnail and a clean, compelling design. Step 2. Design techniques. Roll up thirds. Imagine your thumbnail divided into 9 equal squares, with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. This technique isn't just for thumbnails, it's a principle used across all visual arts, from photography to filmmaking. It's like a random screenshot for creating balance and focus. Try it out. Take a random screenshot and test the grid. You'll see what I mean. The trick: place key elements like a face or bold text at the intersections of these lines. It creates a natural balance and makes your thumbnail visually appealing. Example time. On the left, we have a thumbnail with the subject's face perfectly aligned with the grid. It feels professional and draws the eye immediately. Now look at the one on the right. The face is awkwardly off-center, and the balance is completely off. See the difference? That's the power of the rule of thirds. Background and main image. Your background isn't the star, it's the stage. Solid colors, blurred images, or subtle gradients work best to make your subject pop. And here's a pro tip: keep your colors cohesive. For instance, warm tones, reds, oranges, or cool tones, blues, purples, can avoid different emotions. But don't mix them randomly, and avoid clutter or overly busy backgrounds that distract from the main focus. Text placement. Text isn't just decoration, it's your headline. You're a mini billboard that grabs attention. Keep it short, 2 or 4 impactful words max. Think phrases like shocking or before and after. They hit hard and communicate instantly. Placement matters too. Make sure your text doesn't hide the subject or get crammed into a corner. Add a light outline or shadow to boost readability on any background. Think of it this way: your thumbnail text should shout without screaming. Choose fonts that are bold, clear, and easy to read, adding in or taking away. Step 3. adding flair with pattern disruption. It's all about creating a subtle visual disruption that makes viewers stop scrolling and take notice. Think of an emoji that adds a playful touch, a bold arrow that screams, "Look here!" or a pop of unexpected color that catches the eye. It's these small details that draw attention without overwhelming the design. But remember, the key is balance. Too many of these elements and your thumbnail can go from eye-calling to chaotic. And hey, I'm curious, what's your go-to disruptor? Do you love a bold arrow, a neatly drawn circle, or maybe a cheeky emoji? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear what grabs your attention. And that's a wrap. You've got everything you need to turn your thumbnails into pure gold. Tools, techniques, and strategies that don't just attract clicks but drive real results. Every thumbnail you create now is one step closer to skyrocketing your channel, growing your fan base, and, let's be honest, boosting those earnings. Picture this: your videos racking up views, your subscriber count climbing like crazy, and your channel becoming the go-to spot for your niche. Sounds pretty sweet, right? And when it happens, don't forget, you'll have to come back and thank me later. Now it's your turn. What's the one tip from today's video you're dying to try first? Or do you have a secret trick of your own? Drop it in the comments. Let's keep the ideas flowing, because your next viral thumbnail is just a design away. Go make it happen. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and turn on the notification bell.